All right, guys, so it's happened again. Brilliant Stars, the next one to fall in the chain of Sword and Shield booster boxes, sold out on the Pokemon Center now. Shout out to a lot of you guys who left me comments saying that it sold out. One of you guys was really quick, like 2:30 in the morning last night. I had a comment on one of my videos saying it sold out, so shout out to you guys. But yeah, we're gonna just talk a bit about Brilliant Stars today. I did say in my last call video, and even when Lost Origin sold out, I did say Brilliant Stars was going to be the next one to fall. It kind of just made sense with the price difference. Now we're probably going to be waiting on Silver Tempest. I imagine a bit, just because current market value isn't even at MSRP. So we may be waiting a couple months, maybe even longer for Silver Tempest. And then I imagine Battle Styles might even be longer than that, obviously, maybe towards the end of the year. So I think we have a bit of a ways to go before Silver Tempest sells out. But Brilliant Stars going this fast was kind of surprising. I am a bit pissed because, as you guys know, I'm in Bogota, Colombia currently, so I can't actually buy off the Pokemon Center, and I get home in like 2 days, and I was planning to buy more, but it is what it is. I have a pretty decent position, so I'm happy about that now. But yeah, if you got into Brilliant Stars, again, congrats. If you can find it, even around that 150, 160 mark, is it going to be a good buy? Yes. I think Brilliant Stars too. There's much lower of a probability that we're going to see a reprint. Brilliant Stars came out, start of 2022, February, something like that. So it's been out much longer than something like Lost Origins, or Lost Origin rather. But yeah, I doubt it's going to get reprinted. It could, in theory, again, Pokemon Company can do whatever they want. But, pretty happy to see that. Again, just a reminder, the cards in the set. We'll look at the booster box price in a minute, but cards in the set, you have the Charizard V up top, pushing about 150 now. That's not even close to its 1-year high, as we can see over here. Before the crash, it was pushing 160, so still a little ways to go before it reaches its 12-month high, but definitely making pretty decent gains. It's one of my favorite Charizard cards. You have Venusaur in the background, just really cool artwork. Other than that, you have the Charizard V Secret, $55. This thing hasn't been doing too much over the past year. If we look, kind of just been on its way down. It's not an alt art or anything. So yeah, nothing super special. The Umbreon V, as you can see here, pushing $40 at this point. When we look at this bad boy, again, it's an Umbreon card. It's, spiked crazy in the past couple months from like $21 up to now selling around 40. Today, April 30th, a sale for $46 near mint hollow foil. So yeah, basically doubled in the past month. Is absolutely insane. Way up from its 1-year high. So yeah, these Umbreon cards, even when you look at the Umbreon V trainer gallery, this thing is seeing a spike as well from around 15 up to close to $24. And again, near mint hollow foil today, $30. Another one for 24. So seems like it's on the up and up as well. We also have some other cards here. Obviously, the Ultra Ball, around $30. Arceus V, $31 as well. Again, this hasn't done too much. It's recovered a bit from its low around $21, so that's like a 50% gain approximately since the start of the year, in February. So again, really cool card as well. Love it. And then once we go a bit deeper, well, I can just show you these. We have the Sylveon VMAX. This thing hasn't seen a huge gain, slowly ticking up. From October last year, it's had a pretty decent move, but yeah. And then the Sylveon V as well, making a slight move since around the same time. And then when we go deeper into the set, obviously, you have the Charizard V Full Art, you have the Lumineon V, you have the Mimikyu V, as well as the V Max down here. I like both of these cards, to be honest. I like the V more, though, I think, but really cool cards. Couple Arceus V Stars. You have the Galarian Birds, Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. And then just, there's lots of really interesting cards in that, $5 to $3 range, $7 to $3 range. So definitely a really deep set. We've talked about that a lot, but the ones to keep our eyes on, obviously, the Charizard V up top, moving towards 150. This Umbreon V, pushing $40 now is a pretty insane move. It's not really surprising to me that this card is making a move as well. It's like a really beautiful artwork, massive Umbreon trainer card. So yeah, it makes sense why it's making gains. But again, the whole point of this video is that Brilliant Stars is sold out now on the Pokemon Center. So again, if we want to be in front of the curve, now it's time to really look at Silver Tempest, especially if you can find a decent deal below MSRP. If you can entry in the 120s, something like that. I think I I don't know the conversion off the top of my head, but I believe it was close to 120, 122, something like that. So, you know, if you can find a good deal on Silver Tempest or even Battle Styles, to be honest, like, I mean, it's just obvious they're going to be the next up. It doesn't take a huge brainiac to figure that out. As well as things like, Paldea Evolved, getting ahead of the curve if you want. Um, obviously that could be reprinted, but we'll see what happens. And again, if you look at Brilliant Stars, it's just been on a rise. We're going to have to see over the next month or so what happens. As you can see today, still lots of sales around 170, so it seems like the market hasn't really picked up on this yet. I do imagine this is going to push to 200 pretty quickly, just like what happened with Lost Origin as well. But yeah, for now, we should just be looking at Silver Tempest, still in stock on the Pokemon Center. Battle Styles as well, still in stock on the Pokemon Center. We have a ways to go before this sells out for sure, but you never know with Silver Tempest. As well as the fact that, you can see there's a purchase limit of 4 on Silver Tempest at this point, which again is frustrating because you're not going to be sent cases anymore of Silver Tempest from the Pokemon Center, whereas with Battle Styles, there is no sales limit, or it must be 6 boxes, so you can still get a full case of Battle Styles from the Pokemon Center. Silver Tempest, 4 boxes, it is what it is, but I would still be looking on the secondary market. Check your eBay, affiliate link in the description if you want to help your boy out. Other LGSs or online retailers. When I was looking in Canada, pretty much all of them are above the Pokemon Center at this point. You may be able to find a better deal on like an eBay auction in Canada, but you guys in the States, maybe other parts of the world, Australia, wherever you are, Europe, you may be able to find a better price. But yeah, us Canadians, probably Pokemon Center is the best way to go. But again, if you're buying less than a case quantity, they're going to throw them in just a random box, probably without packaging. They may get damaged. So that's going to be a risk. You're going to have to decide whether you want to take or not. Me personally, I'm not going to be buying any more Silver Tempest, and I don't own any Battle Styles right now. I'm going to be waiting a few months. The summer months, again, I'm just going to be stockpiling cash for the most part at this point, unless I find a really good deal. I'm waiting for reprints of Paldea Evolved 151 if they come. If they don't, and I have a lot of my money stockpiled, I'm going to be deploying it towards the end of the year on things like potentially Battle Styles or Silver Tempest, or if I find a good deal on Paldea Evolved, even if it doesn't get reprinted. So that's going to be my plan. The next few months are going to be a bit slow investing wise for me, I believe. But if you guys have money, you want to deploy it, you find good deals on Silver Tempest, Battle Styles, even if you find Brilliant Stars right now for some reason, like the 150s, even 160s, it's probably going to be a good pickup. I mean, if it's going to push to 200 fairly quickly, that's like over a 20% gain. So you can't be too mad about that. Again, here are my positions in all of these booster boxes for Sword and Shield. Lots of Fusion Strike, Chilling Reign, but yeah, 55 boxes of Brilliant Stars, 37 of Lost Origin, and yeah, only 6 of Silver Tempest, nothing for Battle Styles currently. So, this is me just being transparent with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to everyone who, left comments and let me know that it was sold out. I normally check in the morning when I wake up, but someone was really quick to, like 2:30 in the morning. I thought about making a video, but I was already in bed. This is my last day in Bogota, by the way, guys. So you may or may not see a video tomorrow or Thursday just because I'm going to be traveling. And then hopefully, Friday, Saturday, once I get back, depending if I'm super jet lagged or not, we'll get back to getting more videos up, especially the investment video with all of my cases and, other auxiliary products. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.